I'm Fiona with WTI, and I'd like to show you another amazing book from the collection of brilliant maps for curious minds. This is the second book, North American Maps for Curious Minds, and it has 100 different maps. Let me show you some of them. This first map shows where the darkest skies are for pristine stargazing. Next one shows some of the coolest trees in North America, including the tallest living tree and the oldest one. This one shows what part of the months the hottest days fall on. This one I think is really funny. It shows the number of Waffle Houses based on latitude. Finally, this one shows the 10 longest bridges in North America. Again, there are 100 different maps and they touch on 7 topics: geography, politics and power, nature, culture and sports, people and populations, lifestyle and health, and industry and transportation. So I think this book is perfect for any collection or to have as a coffee table book. I think it's a great way to learn all kinds of interesting information in a really fun way, and that's just my point of view.